Okay, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And don't forget to subscribe and then click on the bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new Crenova video projector. And this one just got out on Amazon. So let's go ahead and check out what's in the box. Okay, and the model of this one is the 1080p. This is the newest one compared to the other Crenova that's available. So let's see what comes inside the box. So this is the accessory package. They give you the user manual, which has all the instructions, the power cable, and these are screws, which I'm guessing are probably for the mounting. This is the HDMI cable. Oh, this one's pretty good because it has the video cable as well. So I'm guessing this is probably one of the adjustments for the legs of the projector. It has the remote control. It gives you a cloth to clean the lens with. And then I guess this is the warranty. It's a 1-year warranty on the projector. And this is a really nice projector because compared to the other ones, which are normally white or other colors, this one is red. It's a bright red. Go ahead and put that on the side. Okay, so this is a really nice projector because it stands out. It looks kind of like a metallic finish. Let me see if I can get this out of here. And you can see how the color really stands out. Very beautiful finish where you could put it anywhere and it catches everyone's eye because it looks really nice. And if you look here, it has the focus of the lens, and then this is the keystone, so you could do the different sizes of the images and then focus in on it. And it has the cover as well for the lens. I just have to figure out how to put it on later on. And then it has the buttons on the top. And then let me turn it around. These are the vents on the sides, but in the back, you see it has the power cable. It has, let me see what this is. Oh, this is for the video cable. This is the audio out. This is VGA. This is the PC cable. And there's 2 USBs. There's the audio video cable. I don't know what this one's for. I guess there's different ones. This is probably the red, green, blue cable, and this is just the regular audio video cable for this one. So there's 2 different audio videos. I gotta check the manual to make sure. And then 2 HDMIs. And then if you look on the bottom, this is the little peg that you put on to adjust tilting it back and forth. And on these, I'm sure you could remove. And this is where you would mount them normally. A lot of the projectors have where you can mount each of the projectors up on the roofs or on top of something. But I'm going to be doing a hands-on video and showing how it looks and how it projects. But for now, what stands out is the finish on the projector, which is really nice. Okay, so now I have the projector all set up and it's projecting here on this wall. And what's really cool about this, you could set it here with the focus, and then also the keystone is basically just the tilting. So like if you move the tilt, you can see how the screen tilts to whichever way you want. And that's in case you'd have an unbalanced location. And the focus, if you can see, let me see if I can go ahead and try to unfocus it. It'll probably be better on the video. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do it on the video instead. But if you can see, it has all the buttons on there for the source and then also for the remote control. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the sourcing for the remote control, and just so you're wondering, that's where the sensor is for the remote control, the infrared. In case you're trying to point it somewhere else, even though it looks like it's pretty good when you point it to some other location, as long as you have good batteries. So it has the audio video, the yellow, put that back up, with the YPBR, the HDMI 1, 2, the VGA, and then also the USB. There are 2 USBs, and you could also update the software of the projector through the USB as well. And I was going through the menu. Let me see if I can find that menu again. So you could just see how I scroll through the menu. So it has different options where you could choose the color, temperature, the picture mode, the aspect ratio, noise reduction, and then also the reducing of the size. You could actually zoom in from the same spot, and if you go like back 1, it goes down to 75%, which I think is the minimum. I've been trying to do it lower, but it doesn't. So 75 is the lowest one you can do. And from there, you can bump it all the way up to 100%, or you can go 1 by 1, like 76, 77, etc. But if you go back from 75, it'll jump all the way to 100%. So that's pretty cool if you want to, actually zoom in, or depending on where you have it all set up. And let me see if I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Let me show the other menu options on there. Let me get it back up. So it has the language. You could do the, see, like I said, software update through the USB. Blending, you can factory reset. You can set a timer if you wanted to turn off. And then also the sound. This has a sound option on it. The sound's really good quality. But of course, if you're going to be in a large, theater or room, you probably would need a separate sound system hooked up. Let me go ahead and put up the video. Okay, so here's the video. And you can see it's from a party, and it has all the different colors. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the light real quick. Hold on. This is from my phone. Okay, so I turned off the light of the phone just so it could be darker in the room. But as you can see, it's pretty clear. It's really nice. The colors of the party. And you can see the red dress really stand out. And you can set this up depending on how close you want to be to the wall. It can go up to, I believe, to 200 inches as far as the screen size. I'm doing it here in my playroom, or I guess extra bonus room in my house. But you can see all the different colors, really nice. And what's, like I said before, like I mentioned, the color of the projector is really nice as well. It's a vibrant red. And you can see the quality is really nice. And you can project it larger or smaller, because if you want. Oh, and this is a perfect timing for the focus. And then let me see if I could unfocus. Let me get a little bit closer and then start unfocusing so you can see how it looks. You see how it starts getting blurry? And the more you adjust it, the clearer it gets. So that's a pretty nice feature. So in case you want to focus in and out, depending on how far you are from the projector, it's really good. And the controls on the remote control are very simple. They're very easy, just the volume, because the projector itself has a volume, as you can see there on the top. It's going from 98, 95, 99, or whatever. I have no volume on this video, by the way. But you can see, you can also mute it really quick. And see the X on the top left corner. You can take it off. And like I mentioned, the zoom. Let's see how this video is gonna look like when you zoom. You could just start drawing it like little by little. I just zoomed it for 99. You can download all the way to 75% of the zoom, like I mentioned before. But this is a really good video projector, good quality. And it's, if you could see here, the image is beautiful. Especially in the party with all the different colors. The red really stands out. The colors are very vibrant. And I hope you like this video. Go ahead and leave comments on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to the video projector. I purchased it on Amazon, and that's where you guys can get it as well. It's a Crenova, and it's a bright red. You'll be able to see it right away, and the color of it is very beautiful. It's a very nice finish. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Like I said before, don't forget to subscribe, and then also click on the bell so you can get updated every time I post a new video. Thank you.